Few things compare to the rich aroma and flavor of freshly brewed coffee or tea, especially when you make it yourself. This French press and tea maker, 1000 milliliter coffee maker, press with a luxurious rose gold finish, is designed to give you that cafe-quality experience in the comfort of your home. Whether you're a coffee connoisseur or someone who enjoys a cup of perfectly brewed tea, this French press promises to elevate your brewing game. Made with thick borosilicate glass and a durable stainless steel frame, this premium coffee press not only delivers exceptional performance, but also adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. One of the best things about using a French press is that it brings out the bold flavors and full-bodied texture of coffee. With the French press and tea maker, you can enjoy this experience every morning. There's nothing quite like the kick of freshly brewed coffee to get your day started on the right note. The 1000 milliliter capacity ensures that you can brew enough coffee for multiple servings, so you'll never run out of that much-needed energy boost. Whether you prefer your coffee strong and bold or smooth and mild, this French press makes it easy to customize the brewing time and grind size to suit your taste. Want something a little different? This press also doubles as a tea maker, allowing you to enjoy herbal infusions or loose-leaf teas with the same level of ease and precision. When investing in a coffee press, durability is key. The French press and tea maker stands out with its high-quality construction. It is made from thick, durable borosilicate glass that is resistant to thermal shock, meaning it won't crack or shatter when exposed to hot water. The food-grade glass is also non-toxic and odorless, ensuring that your coffee or tea remains pure and uncontaminated by chemicals or unwanted flavors. The stainless steel frame surrounding the glass carafe is built to last, providing stability and support. This coffee press is designed to withstand daily use, whether you're making a quick morning cup or serving coffee at a dinner party. The stainless steel is resistant to rust, stains, and bends, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking for a long-lasting coffee maker. Let's be honest. Kitchen appliances that look good are a pleasure to use. The French press and tea maker combines style and practicality with its sleek modern design and rose gold finish. The combination of glass and metal, highlighted by the rose gold color, makes this coffee press a statement piece in any kitchen. But it's not all about looks. The design is also highly functional. The rose gold finish is easy to clean and resists fingerprints, ensuring that your coffee press stays looking new even after many uses. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, while the easy pour spout ensures that you can serve coffee or tea without spilling. One of the best features of this French press is its versatility. While it's designed primarily for brewing coffee, it also functions as a tea maker. Simply swap out the coffee grounds for loose tea leaves, and you'll be able to steep a perfect cup of tea in just a few minutes. The fine mesh filter ensures that your brew is smooth and free of sediment, whether you're making coffee or tea. This versatility makes it an excellent choice for households with both coffee and tea drinkers. No need to invest in separate brewing equipment. This French press handles both tasks with ease, delivering consistent results every time. Using the French press and tea maker is incredibly simple. Just add your coffee grounds or tea leaves, pour in hot water, let it steep for a few minutes, press down the plunger, and enjoy your freshly brewed beverage. There's no need for electricity, pods, or complicated equipment. The French press method is straightforward and allows you to control the strength of your brew. Cleaning is also a breeze. The glass carafe and stainless steel components can be easily disassembled for thorough cleaning. Since the materials are non-stick and resistant to stains, they don't hold on to residual oils or odors, ensuring that each cup you brew tastes fresh and pure. Looking for the perfect gift for the coffee lover in your life? The French press and tea maker is an excellent choice. Its elegant design, coupled with its practicality and performance, makes it a thoughtful gift for anyone who appreciates the art of brewing. When it comes to selecting the best French press, there are a few key features to consider: durability, design, ease of use, and versatility. The French press and tea maker ticks all these boxes. Its thick borosilicate glass and stainless steel frame ensure it's built to last, while the elegant rose gold finish adds a touch of luxury to your coffee-making experience. Unlike other coffee makers that require electricity or disposable pods, this French press is environmentally friendly and simple to use. Whether you're brewing coffee or tea, you'll appreciate the control it offers over the brewing process, allowing you to customize your beverage to suit your taste. And with its stylish design, it's a pleasure to use every day. Final verdict, a must-have for coffee aficionados. In conclusion, the French press and tea maker 1000 milliliter coffee maker press is more than just a tool for brewing coffee or tea. It's an experience. With its durable materials, elegant design, and versatile functionality, it offers exceptional value for anyone who takes their coffee or tea seriously. Whether you're looking to upgrade your morning routine or give a thoughtful gift, this French press is sure to deliver. Don't just take our word for it. Try it out and experience the difference for yourself. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.